Another way of creating a simple background for your graphics is after drawing your box. This box represents your whole size of designing. Probably you are designing, you want to paste it on your table, or you want to use as a sticker. You have to measure the kind of sticker, the type of paper you want in inches. After changing your letters to A4, your millimeters to inches. Inches is a common measuring style that you can see on tape rule, in ruler, and so on and so forth. So after creating your four corner box here, then you come down here with your normal click. I'm taking it up gradually. If I'm okay with the position, then I will now drop with my right click, still holding the normal click, dropping with right click. That is, I'm doubling it by duplicating the box to shrink up. So another way of using your right click and normal click to duplicate object or text is by clicking it, taking it with, you can take with your normal click, then drop while still holding your normal click, then drop with right click. It can double it for you. You can try that at home. So I just branched through that place. Now I already doubled my box, then I fill this with separate color and this with separate color. Come down here to select another color for the top. So these two different color I'm creating. So now I want to shape this blue to another shape instead of being four corner or something. So firstly, I'll come down to my shape tools, which is F10. After effecting something like this, I can shape it like this. That's not what I want. It give me egg circle shape. Then I want to shape it to another thing. Then I come to Control Q, which is curve. The shortcut is here, Control Q. Now I right click on this line, this below line. So let me zoom in so that we can see it clearly. So I'm with my F10, my tools, and with my F10. Now I right click on this line, this tiny line here. It brings out many options. So I scroll up to curve. That is, I want to curve that line from one edge to another. I want to curve this line. So after clicking, you see a dot. You see a dot, two dots at the middle of the line you just curve. Then you can take one dot up and take another one down. Based on your creativity, you can decide to squeeze it like this. So let me reduce the size of the screen so that you can see what I'm doing. You see, we are already changing the design of the four corner rectangle with F10. We are still on F10, using F10 to shape. That is the function of shaping, choose F10 to shape. Now see, after I want to readjust, I'm not satisfied, I have to click on, highlight on this edge so that it can bring out the dots that I used. These are the dots. If I don't click on it, it will disappear. So you have to highlight either here or here to bring these two parallel lines so that I can reshape it to whatsoever I want. So I'm taking it down here, taking these two, just take it, disappear again. I'll right click here again, normal click rather, and shape it too. So I think I'm satisfied with this shape. I come down again to my pictures. So now let me say I want to double it down. So I bring this down a bit with normal click and drop it right click. So I scroll it down. I'm already getting another design. I can change this color, the one below, this one, and this another one. So now I can flip it. This is where you flip it, you mirror it, mirror each one to get another design. I can change this. I can change this, and I can change the background also based on your color mixing code that pleases you. So these are where you change your colors to whatsoever design or effective you made. You can make the color combination. You can even effect the previous class on how to make background by combining the two style, two creativity, two designs together. This is another simple background you can make on CorelDraw just for beginners that you can make. You can mix the color, you can inscribe the lines that we taught on the previous classes and put it inside. You can change the color. Now my next video, I will be teaching you how we can mix both snapped background, like for example a building, a horticulture, or a background downloaded on Google, to color mix it with your CorelDraw and make it a suitable background for your graphic design. Thank you.